grade 3s and grade 3-4s. Nice to see you again. Miss Bernardi here. Welcome to week 3 of distance learning. I hope that you have all had a good experience so far, and for those of you who just got devices recently, welcome. Feel free to watch the previous YouTube videos anytime. You can find them under Miss Bernardi Music on this YouTube channel. So let's start out our lesson today, just like we start out all of them, with our hello song. 1, 2, here we go. Hello, my friends, and how are you? It's time for music. Let's hum a happy tune. Hello, my friends, and how are you? It's time for music. Let's sing a happy tune. La 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 la. Grade 3s, and how are you? It's time for music. Let's clap a happy tune. Hello, grade 3s, and how are you? Your choice. It's time for music. Let's a happy tune. Ready to get started with our lesson for today. All right, grade 3s and 3-4s, we're going to get right into our rhythmic drumming today. So go ahead and grab 2 sticks or something similar to sticks and grab something hard. Today, I actually found this nice hardcover music book, so I thought I'd show that to you. That's what I'm going to use today for my hard surface, but a binder, a book, or even the floor will work just fine for this. So go ahead, pause the video, get your hard book or object, and get your 2 things to drum with to use as our drum sticks. Once again, I've brought out my metronome today, so we are going to keep this on while we do our rhythmic drumming to keep us in time. And the tempo, which is our musical word for speed, the tempo is at 96 beats per minute again. So you can hear the metronome clicking there. I just want us to start out today by tapping out a steady rhythm, alternating from right to left. 1, 2, here we go. Stay in time. We're tapping quarter notes right now. Tas. Let's switch to TTs. 1, 2, switch to TTs. Now, we're going to switch to whole note drum rolls. 1, 2, here we go. Half note drum rolls, here we go. Nicely done, grade 3s and 3-4s. So since we've been practicing this for 2 weeks, we're going to go straight into our 2-bar rhythms for today, making sure that we're always talking it out first before we drum. 1, 2, here we go. Ta, ti, ti, half note, ta, ta. 1, 2, now drum it out. Moving on, talk it out first. 1, 2, talk it out. Ti, ti, ta, half note, ta, sh, ti, 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 ti. 1, 2, now drum it out. One, 2, talk it out. Ta, 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 ta. Great big whole note. 1, 2, now drum it out. This one has lots of notes. Let's make sure we're reading carefully, talking it out first. 1, 2, 1, 2, talk it out. Ti, 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 ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. 1, 2. Now drum it out. I would also like to introduce a new note to you today, grade 3s, and that is our dotted half note. Now you may have seen this before or you may not have, but our dotted half note looks a lot like a half note. It is a half note, in fact, but it has a dot beside it, and that dot counts for 1 extra beat. So as we know, the duration of our half note is 2 beats, and the dot adds on half of that. So half of 2 is, drum roll I should do, 1 beat. So we're adding on 2 plus 1, which gives us 3 beats. So the duration of our dotted half note is 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try counting it together. 1, 2, 3. And when we count it, you know how we count our half notes? Half note. We are going to count our dotted half note, half note, dot. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. Half note, dot. So let's put it into some bars of rhythm. So I have this for you. Let's count it out. 1, 2, talk it out. Half note, dot, ta. Try it again. I know it's our first time with this dotted half note. 1, 2, talk it out. Half note, dot, ta. 1, 2, and try it by yourselves. Okay, one more we're gonna try out. 1, 2, talk it out. Half note, dot, ti, ti. Let's try that again. Half note, dot, ti, ti. 1, 2, now try it by yourselves. All right, did you get it? Now you'll notice that I put the drum roll symbol underneath our half note. So that means that we are gonna drum roll for 3 beats. Let's try putting this together, these 2 bars, adding in our dotted half note. Here comes the metronome. 1, 2, talk it out. Half note, dot, ti, ti, half note, ta, ta. 1, 2, now drum it out. And since it's our first time drumming with the dotted half note, let's try it again. 1, 2, drum it out. Nice. Let's try one more with our half note, dotted half note. We're gonna talk it out first. 1, 2, talk it out. Ta, 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 half note, dot, ta. Now drum it out. 1, 2, try that again. Nicely done. Welcome to dotted half note. Okay, grade 3s and 3/4s, that's it for our rhythm today. We're gonna move on to singing waving flag like we did last time, but we're gonna add in a detail today. So today I want you to grab something. I have this scarf. You can grab a scarf that you might have hanging around from those winter days. You can grab a piece of clothing like a shirt. You could grab a washcloth from the kitchen or a towel. Make sure to ask your family first. Make sure it's nothing that they don't want you using. But we're just gonna be waving it back and forth like a, you guessed it, waving flag. So go on, pause the video, grab yourself a scarf or something that you can use as a flag. If you have a real flag, feel free to grab that too. So we're gonna start with the chorus of waving flag, and then we move into the woes. We're going to grab our scarf and wave it back and forth like a waving flag. 1, 2, and here we go. When I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. And then it goes back, and then it goes back, and then it goes back. Whoa. Just like a waving flag, and 3/4. This time you're gonna sing Wave and Flag all by yourself. We'll go through the chorus, then we'll go into the woes. You're gonna pick up your flag or scarf or whatever it is. You're gonna wave it back and forth for the woes, and then we're gonna go into our ending. 1, 2, and here we go. Just like a waving flag. Just like a waving flag. Thank you so much for joining me today, grade 3s and grade 3/4s. Thank you for drumming along with me and singing along. Let's end with our goodbye song. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, slap, clap, clap, here we go. Goodbye, my friends, goodbye. Goodbye, my friends, goodbye. Goodbye, my friends, goodbye, my friends. I'll see you again next time. Goodbye, grade 3s and 3/4s. Goodbye, grade 3s and 3/4s. Goodbye, Miss Bernardi. Goodbye, Miss Bernardi. Goodbye, families of Northwood School. Goodbye, families of Northwood School. I'll see you again next time. I'll see you again next time. Goodbye, grade 3s and 3/4s. Have a wonderful week. I'll see you soon.